It's day 6. Oh, thank God it's day 6 that I've done 5 days of the elemental diet already. So a quick update, guys, on my tongue. So as I'd been saying the last couple of days, my tongue was getting a white coating and starting to feel quite sore, and I was worried that I was getting a candida overgrowth in my mouth. So I have been doing oil pulls after every shake, and I've been rinsing my mouth out as well at the end of every shake. I've been brushing my teeth and flossing my teeth after every shake. But I've also been drinking my shake with a big glass of water, and with every sip of my shake I then do a big drink of water and kind of swish it round and swallow it. And I think all of that is helping keep my mouth at bay, and that white coating on my tongue is starting to go away, which is really cool. So that's been, I mean, it's quite a lot of effort, but I think it's better to put this effort in now than to have a bad candida overgrowth in your mouth. Yesterday was a lot better as a day. Adding fat into the shake made an enormous difference for me. So I think that is the way to go. I've got to be quite careful though. I did get a little bit of bloating and just a few tweaks and pains in my gut, and I'm guessing that was just from the fat. So I'll just be really mindful of the number of shakes I do with fat in them, and maybe I need to add that in the morning, and then I can get away with no fat in the evening. I'll have a play around. So yeah, I feel like I'm getting on top of this diet. It's not nearly as hard as it was in the start. And the other thing that happened last night was I was able to sit in the same room as Sam when he had his dinner, and I didn't want to stab him in the face. I smelt him cooking it. I watched him eating it. Admittedly, I couldn't sit and just watch him eat it. I had to kind of just peek over and look away, but that was a really big change as well. So I feel like I'm going into the kind of easier stage of the elemental diet, which is really exciting. So here's to day 6. Woo! My first attempt at sitting at a cafe with some water. It's going okay at the moment, but Sam's not eating any food. I think that would be a completely different challenge if he was. Here's to a sunny Saturday morning. So I had a alright morning, going to the dog park and stopping at a cafe for a coffee with Sam, although I just drank water. But then I got home and I've just crashed, and I've been in bed ever since. I think it's like, I don't even know what the time is, midday or something. Can't get my Fitbit to turn on. I do have, oh, where is he? My little friend down there. My little friend, Nurse Basil, keeping me company. Day 6. This is a roller coaster ride. I feel really emotional as well. I remember watching somebody else's YouTube diaries of their elemental journey, and they were quite emotional too. I'm actually always crying. I guess it's just the cleanse, all the shit you hold in your gut coming out. It's really fucking hard. Just have to keep reminding myself that it's just going into hibernation to come out something better. Hopefully a pretty butterfly and not some weird deformed creature. So this is only my second shake for the day. I think it's about 7 o'clock at night. As you can tell, I don't look very good. I've had a pretty wiped out day today. I've just been feeling really exhausted. I have spent a lot of time in bed, and then this afternoon I had explosive diarrhea. It caught me completely unawares. I thought I was doing a fart, and instead I shat my pants. I've only ever done that once before, and that was when I had a terrible, terrible bug in Cambodia after getting a parasite or food poisoning or something. So that was unexpected. I think it's me adding the fat into the elemental diet. It's been too much for my system, and my system told me so. So this is a shake, just with the shake, no added fat. So I'm gonna put myself to bed pretty soon. I'm gonna drink this, have some water, do my oil pulling, brush my teeth, all of that stuff, and go to bed. And then it's gonna be day 7, and I'll have almost done a week. Hooray!